You have a need for attention. You have a need for avoidance, and you have a need for control. What skills do you use when you need to meet those needs? If I want attention, I know how to get it. I can come home and I can start breaking dishes and slamming them against the wall. It'll get me attention. Is it a good skill? Is it a good behavior? No. But our behavior is nothing more than an action to serve a function. So someone has to teach me how to get attention. And here's the weird part about it. You can't have kids earn intervention. Let's stop going down that slippery slope. If I need attention because my family is out of whack or whatever's going on and I've got a lot of trauma in my life and I need attention, I'm going to give that kid somewhere in their day unconditional attention. I'm going to sit down and have a conversation with them for 5 minutes. Maybe I'll have lunch with them once in a while. I'm going to notice them. I am not going to put them on a plan that says if you do X, Y, and Z to this degree, I will have lunch with you. Kids shouldn't have to earn intervention. We all have what we call a strategy toolbox. What I want you to build for your kids this year are strategy toolboxes.